Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to integrate Chatgpt with Microsoft Teams. You will need to obtain your OpenAPI secret key. To do so, go to beta.openai.com and create your secret key. Make sure that when the key is created, you immediately copy it to a secured location. Head over to Microsoft Power Automate and follow the instructions below. Name your new flow whatever you want and utilize the when keywords are mentioned trigger. Message, type, choose channel. Keywords to search for is the trigger word that MS Teams will monitor. You can use anything you want here. Under team, you will select an existing team where you want the AI to reside. In the channel 1 drop-down box, you will choose an existing channel that is in the team. Next, add a new step in your flow called apply to each and copy the settings in the screenshot below. In the last field, parent message ID, the value you choose is reply to message ID. Add a new step in the apply to each flow feature called HTTP and copy the settings in the screenshot below. Under body, add the following. Add the last section in this flow called reply with a message in a channel and use the settings shown in the screenshot below. Message ID is reply to message ID. In the message field, the following code is used. Don't forget to save your new flow and turn it on. Open Microsoft Teams, go to the team section and click on the channel you specified in step number 2 and sub-step 3. Test your flow by asking the AI to answer a few questions using the trigger word specified in step 2 and 3. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.